In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently copy chat messages from Microsoft Teams. Whether you're looking to save important information or share a conversation with colleagues, knowing how to quickly transfer these chats can save you a lot of time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Microsoft Teams. If you're not familiar with it, Microsoft Teams is a collaboration platform where you can chat, meet, call, and collaborate all in one place. Once you're logged in and ready, head straight to the chat section. You'll find this typically on the left-hand side of your Teams interface. This is where all your one-on-one and group chats are stored. Identifying the right chat is key, so take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct conversation. After all, you don't want to end up sharing the wrong information. Now, once you've zeroed in on the chat you'd like to copy, it's simply a matter of highlighting the text. Move your cursor to the beginning of the chat section you wish to copy. Click and hold down your mouse button and drag it over the entire section of chat you need. As you're dragging, you'll notice the text becomes highlighted, marking exactly what you intend to copy. Once everything you need is highlighted, it's just a quick keyboard shortcut away. Press Ctrl+C on your keyboard if you're using a Windows PC. For Mac users, the equivalent shortcut would be Command+C. This command will copy the text to your clipboard, which is a temporary storage area for the text you plan to move elsewhere. Now that you've copied it, think about where you want to paste this information. Whether it's an email, a document, or a different chat window, navigate to that location. Position your cursor at the place where you want your copied text to appear. Press Ctrl+V if you're on a Windows PC or Command+V on a Mac. Your text should now paste into the designated area precisely as you copied it, preserving the formatting and any essential details. And just like that, you're done. It's that simple to copy and paste chats within Microsoft Teams. Remember, this technique is incredibly versatile. Not only can you copy text from chats, but you can also transfer images and files using a similar process with simple drag and drop actions or copy-paste commands. However, it's important to ensure that the information you're copying adheres to your organization's privacy policies. So always exercise discretion and avoid sharing sensitive data unless necessary. I hope you found this guide helpful. Copying chat messages in Microsoft Teams is a valuable skill that can enhance your workflow and ensure that critical information is never lost. Thanks for joining, and until next time, happy teaming.